Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Radhika and I hope you all are doing good and are safe. आज के वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ few body care and skin care product without which I cannot live. So these are the cult favorite products for me and I have repurchased few of them, and few of them once they are over I'll be repurchasing. Also, these are those products which I use on a regular basis and I'm really fond of these. अगर आप लोग भी चाहते हो ये प्रोडक्ट्स में से कोई चीज़ आप लोग को पसंद आए और आप लेना चाहते हो या फिर इसके अलावा भी कुछ और, go ahead and check out Amazon because उस पर great offers and discounts मिलते हैं. I checked on few products from Nykaa and multiple sites, but मुझे Amazon पे वो better deal मिली, so I got it from there. So yeah, that's all which I wanted you to know, and now let's get started. The first category is hair care. सबसे पहला प्रोडक्ट है ये L'Oreal Total Repair 5 shampoo. Now this shampoo, as you can see by the bottle, I have used it thoroughly and this is my third or fourth repurchase. ये शैम्पू मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है ड्यूरिंग दी somewhere winter or changing weather, so I prefer going for it during winters because it gives me a really good sheen and makes my hair really look soft and supple. It lathers up really nicely and gives you a very clean feel. Second product is for hair care only. This is the Love Beauty and Planet blooming color conditioner with murmura butter and rose. Now I got this product based on recommendations of few people on YouTube and I did not regret it a bit in terms of conditioner. I really do not like the shampoo because the shampoo has a lot of fragrance in it, though it says it's sulfate free and it's a bit heavy for me. Also, for the cleaning aspect, I find the L'Oreal one better than this Love Beauty and Planet one. Second category is body care. Now, first, body scrub from Dove. It's the exfoliating body polish with pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Now, this is that one product which I am using since 3-4 years now, and I switch amongst the variants. There's a green one also and a white one too. So I purchased it 2 months ago. You can check onto the I button. I have skincare and body care haul, so there I showed this and almost I am done with the half tub. I love it that much and the fragrance is really beautiful and subtle. It lingers on for few hours but then it fades away, which I absolutely love. I even love the Mcaffeine one, which I'll link in the description. But as far as the body polish is concerned, this brand wins my heart because this has really mild and soft particles, which does not give you a feeling of body scrubbing but moisturizes your body and really takes away that dead skin. So next is this Vaseline Sun Protect and Cooling Body Serum Lotion. Now this lotion, whenever I'm out of the shower, I prefer using this lotion since it provides sun protection. So it's perfect for this season because whenever you are out, you are exposed more to sun during the winter season. So yes, that was my next purchase. Next is this Plum BodyLovin ETP Hawaiian Rumba. This is the bottle. Now this is my repurchase and these comes in 3-4 variants. So I really like this Hawaiian Rumba and that orchid one and the tripping mimosa. So I have all of these scattered into my bags because I do not leave the house without a perfume. I really like wearing good scents because it uplifts my mood. Next category is the skincare category. I have this Cetaphil moisturizer. Now This is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion for all skin types, which is hypoallergenic. Now, know that Cetaphil, Sebamed, these are the brands are basically recommended by the dermats. So I just went ahead and got this Cetaphil one. With that, it's a wrap for today's video. All the links will be in the description bar, and clicking on the first link will take you directly to the Amazon storefront where you can get all the products listed at one place. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.